What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So there's no way for you guys to keep going to these fake King Hussle pages getting scammed. So please, before y'all send your money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call so you can make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today's new day, new dollar. We getting to it. We getting motivated. Today in this video, I'm gonna show y'all and I'm gonna teach y'all how to successfully get approved for 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 loans, credit cards, or lines of credit. All right, I'm finna give y'all the secret sauce and the information that you need to know that they are looking for and why you're having a hard time not getting approved for all these loans and credit cards. All right, so the first thing people need to know when you're trying to get any type of loan or credit card or anything like that, you got to understand that credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit revolves around every and anything, right? So when they go check your credit score, when you go apply for anything in the world, they're going to check your credit score, right? So a lot of people fail to realize that at some point in time, if you want to become successful, if you want to get these loans, credit cards, and be an entrepreneur and things like that, you're going to have to get your credit together because you're going to have to get loans and these type of things to help you grow. Point blank, period. Now, it's personal credit and it's business credit. It's personal credit is for your personal, and business credit is for your business. So once you create an LLC in a business and you get that EIN number, you now have a new entity. That EIN number is your business social security number. All right. So a lot of people who understand what I just said by your business being a new entity, they use that and they leverage it so they can, it's basically a new entity so they can start building new credit and easier credit, right? Because we all know that anything on the business side is easier to get, is easier to use, vice versa on the personal side, all right? So when it comes to credit, a lot of people nowadays, they sign up for creditkarma.com and they get this 3-point Vantage 3.0 score and they say, oh, I have a 750 credit score. Or I got, that is not your accurate credit score. All right, so cut that out, get that out y'all heads. You got to start being legit. You got to understand that trying to get something for free all the time is not going to work. And if you do get something for free, it's not going to work. So if you really want to check your 3 FICOs because you have 3 credit scores, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, go to Experian.com, pay the $24.99 a month, and you will be able to start seeing your whole credit profile, everything that you need to know and everything that you need to see, all right? So you can stay up to date of what's going on, the debt on your credit, the credit cards on your credit, collections on your credit, all that type of stuff, right? And you can start getting loans and credit cards and insurance through your credit profile, through Experience. They'll start sending you perks, all right? So whenever they see good history, wherever they see somebody doing something good, they start sending perks from a bank to Experience or whatever, right? So boom. Once you got all that together, right? You wanna make sure your credit profile is in good standing. So a lot of people don't understand that, hey, when I'm thinking this Credit Karma is real, but it's not. So when I went to get my Experian account and I seen it's 100%, 100 points less or 70 points less, okay, now I know my accurate score. So now I need to build my credit. Now, a lot of people also need to understand this. You got to make it make sense. How do you have a 700 credit score and you have no debt on your credit? Because the way a credit score is generated is based on the trade lines and the debt on your credit and how you're paying off this debt. You got good debt and you got bad debt, all right? Bad debt is collections and delinquent accounts and all that that's on your credit that's making your credit score bad. Good debt is trade lines and that's on your credit score that you're in accounts that you're paying off on time on your credit report, right? So let's say you have an auto loan. You took out an auto loan on your car and it's on your personal. And every month that payment is being automatically paid out your bank account. You are not missing any payments. That's good payment history. That's going to reflect on your credit report. Say you have an auto loan and you miss a payment. That's a bad mark on your credit report. They're going to see that, and that can really mess up your credit. So, what I really need you guys to really start doing and really start understanding is, listen, credit is number one. Credit is the number one money game. Credit will get you far. Credit will get you farther than anybody out there in the world who's lazy, who's not trying to take sacrifices, who really has no ambition to become successful in life. A lot of people want money, but they don't have the ambition or the will to become successful and do it the right way, right? So boom, everybody see when I drop these bad credit loans, credit cards, lines of credit. You can get up to $50,000. You can get $10,000 here, $5,000 here, $3,000 here, which is 100% accurate. But you got to understand, these lenders are not going to lend anybody money just because you have bad credit. You got to think about it. You have bad credit for a reason. So you have to make it make sense. A lot of people don't be having bank accounts, checking or savings accounts. A lot of people don't have paper trails of where their money is coming from. So that's already a red flag. If you don't have an ADP payroll provider, if you're self-employed and you're not getting checks or direct deposits, you're going to have a hard time of getting approved for these loans. So you got to make sure your paperwork is in order. An ADP payroll provider is a way for you to pay yourself and generate W-2s and pay stubs and put that money, have a direct deposit into your bank account to start creating a money trail, a paper trail. So you got to make sure you got that. You got to make sure you got good debt and you make a good payment history on your credit. So those trade lines, those AU accounts, you're supposed to have 5 credit cards on your credit account. You're supposed to have a credit mixture of different things going on. So mortgage loans, auto loans, student loans, payday loan, all these different trade lines will help you build your personal credit. Now, a lot of people out there, their goal is, I need an 850 credit score. You do not need an 850 credit score, because I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. You do not need an 850 credit score, because once you get at least 650 or above, you can leverage that towards a PG on your business side and start getting major credit cards, right? So let me give you an example. Let's say you build your credit, you're building your personal credit, and you get you a $5,000 credit card. Let's say you go to trade line supply, you get you a $5,000 credit card. Let's say you get you your own personal credit card for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. So now you got $10,000, $9,000 in credit limit, right? Connect. Okay, so let me give you an example. So that credit card that you get is, let's say it's $4,000, $5,000, right? $5,000 credit card you got, and you got a $10,000 AU credit card on your credit card account, right? On your credit report. So that $5,000, the utilization rate is 10%. So you're not supposed to use more than $500 on that $5,000 credit card. So what you want to do is you want to connect some type of payment to that credit card, so you can use that credit card to make payments and pay that money back. So it might be a bill, some type of water bill or something that you're connecting to, that $200 water bill or something like that. You connect to it, and every month it's going to be auto paid out of that credit card account, and you're going to pay it back, and it's going to look like you have exceptional payment history. That's how you finesse the credit cards. Boom. Now that you got that credit card limit, now that you got those credit cards, you got exceptional payment history on both of those cards, and you have those trade lines. Now you can build your LLC. Let's say you already have your LLC, your EIN number, and you got it established. Now you can go get those Net 30 accounts, get at least a couple $1,000s worth of them, and go apply for high limit credit cards, $10,000, $15,000 credit cards, because you're using your PG, your personal credit, as a personal guarantor on your business side, and you're leveraging it. And that's how you finesse it. And then I told you guys, start doing y'all research when y'all applying for credit cards, because certain credit cards only report to certain bureaus. So if you got these credit cards where you can get $10, $15, $20, $30,000 worth of business credit, and it's only reporting to Experian, then you can get up to 3 or 4 of those cards. And then you can go somewhere else where it's only reflecting towards TransUnion. You can get 3 or 4 of those cards. And you can go somewhere else and get some credit cards where it's only reflecting on TransUnion, and get 3 or 4 of those cards. And now you stack those credit cards. Now you got almost $250,000, depending on what those credit card limits are, in funding, in capital that you can use, because it's meant to be used. They know you got to get money to make money in business. That's what it's for, not personal. You can't do the same things you want to do with your personal credit that you could do with your business credit. You can't go out and spend all the money on your credit card on your personal, but you can do that on your business side. You can spend all the money, pay it back on time, and get it right back. With your personal, if you got $1,000, you're not supposed to spend over $100,000 on that. If you do, it's gonna start negatively impacting your credit score. So everybody out there that want to get these loans and credit cards and lines of credit, y'all gotta tighten up. Y'all gotta like get y'all business in order. Y'all gotta say, all right, let me stop playing around. Clearly, I'm not gonna just be able to get approved for these loans just because I got bad credit. I gotta make it look good and have bad credit at the same time. So if you take those steps that I just gave you in the beginning of the video, clean y'all credit up, add those trade lines and them AUs, get y'all credit mixed together, get y'all paper trail together. ADP payroll provider will allow you to create you a paper trail for your money if you're self-employed. Go through that, start having it direct deposit into your bank account. So when you go apply for these loans, these bad credit loans, they can see a paper trail where your money is coming in. So now you can see the bank statements and things like that. All right, so make sure y'all taking this sauce and running with it and really getting y'all credit together, really getting y'all information together so y'all can bust these loans. Y'all can get $10,000 bad credit loans, $20,000 bad credit loans, and then you got your $50,000 no doc loans. Because like I said, you do everything that I just told you. You start your LLC, you leverage your credit towards your business credit. You can get you a $50,000 no doc loan. All you gotta do is put a couple $1,000s into your bank account, build a relationship with that bank, $3,000 to $4,000, build a relationship, but don't put it all in there at once. You want to spread it out. You want to make it look good. You want to make it seem like you started from $0 and now you got $500 throughout a periodic time because you've been making deposits, more deposits than you've been making um, withdrawals. And they're going to see that. They're going to start sending you perks. Once they start sending you perks, you're going to go into the loan officer. You're going to say, hey, I want to get I need a $50,000 loan. They're going to give you that loan on the business side. No documents required because you already got a relationship with them. And you're going to be easy. You can do that with many different banks. You can go to 4 banks and get $50,000 loans from 4 banks and have $200,000. Make it make sense. All right, so make sure y'all paying attention to these videos. Make sure y'all paying attention to all the information that I'm telling y'all because it will be helpful towards you being successful and getting the money that you need. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody looking out there to get their credit cleaned and build it, get loans, lines of credit, credit cards, trade lines, and AUs. Lessons is $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's gonna start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tap into New Age Credit Repair, my credit cleaning business. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, you want to learn any basic lesson, one basic lesson in one lesson, any lesson that you want to know, one topic, $500, FaceTime one-on-ones. Tap in, come get that. Anybody out there looking to get their limited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones, $1,200. All right, you can get a limited gems. You can learn about credit, how to clean and bill, how to get trade lines, how to get all these loans, CPN information, documents, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to really run up a bag and be successful. Right. Also, I'm a mentor. I got a mentorship out there. I'm mentoring people. So for $2,500, you're going to get all the limited gems. Plus, you're going to learn about the DW. And we're going to start making passive income together. All right, we're going to make these YouTube automation channels. We're going to run up a bag. If the channel's making $10,000, you get 5, I get 5. The channel's making 20, you get 10, I get 10. As long as you put in the same work, effort, grind, and dedication towards the channel and building it, we'll be A-okay. All right, so make sure y'all ready to make that money and start getting paid. Also, book your seat right now on the crypto tour. $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state. In person, unlimited gems, right? So you ready to come get these gems? You ready to start making money? You ready to elevate? You ready to come kick it with me, party with me, make some money with me, all that good stuff? End up in a blog, a music video, or something. Tap in and get your unlimited gems right now. In person, crypto tour. $3,500 in state, $4,500 out of state. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, so make sure y'all tap in on that. Also, still look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, singers, videographers, all that good stuff right there. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? All right, come get your chain, come get your watch, come start making this money. All right, models, tap in. Beautiful ladies out there. I need all the models that I can get. I need all the beautiful ladies that I can work with because at the end of the day, men like women. That's what we want to see. So if I can put you in a position to win, put you in a position to be beautiful, build your brand and your platform, let's work. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. Make sure you got a good attitude. I don't deal with women with bad attitudes because at the end of the day, I'm trying to help you. You're not trying to help me. I already helped myself, so make it make sense, all right? Videographers, tap in. Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, tap in, man. Let's get this money. Let's teamwork, make the dream work. Let's make it happen. Anybody want that Cash App glitchy? It's going to be $250. Tap in. Y'all better go watch that video. They really busting out here. We really getting money. $250. Be payment ready, Bitcoin or Cash App payment. Make sure it's on your balance. Make sure you send me that screenshot, and we're gonna get to work. Alright, so make sure y'all tapping into all this sauce. Make sure y'all tapping into all my channels. Gonna run up the followers on IG, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all go subscribe, hit the notification bell on my YouTube channels. Y'all know what them is, because I will be doing a giveaway soon. I got merch coming soon, hoodies coming soon, hats, t-shirts, all that. Alright, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. I'm doing pre-orders on the hoodie starting June 1st. So make sure y'all tapping in. It's your boy King Hussle. Let's get back to the sauce. Let's get back to this money. Make sure y'all tapping in on that Cash App glitchy. Y'all better go watch that last live video I just dropped. And I'm showing y'all it's real. So tap in. $250 before prices go up to $350. Don't miss out, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.